Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for lock screen on Motorola Moto E32s. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, scroll all the way down to find the system, and here we have a gestures. Now let's check which of these options work on the lock screen, first one being double press power key to either launch assistant or camera. Let's go for the camera and lock our phone. Then double press power key and see if we change to camera. So this works fine, but Google Assistant probably doesn't work there. So let's move on to the next option, which is system navigation, and that's kind of pointless on our lock screen as it doesn't give us any functions. So you can navigate your phone with the gestures or 3 buttons visible at the bottom of the screen, and I'm gonna skip it for lock screen as it's pretty much pointless. Next is prevent ringing, and here you can, if you click on it, you can change between vibrate and mute mode on your phone by pressing power and volume up key together. Let's try it on our lock screen. So maybe wake up our phone, then press on the power key and volume up key. As you can see, we just changed into mute mode and this works fine. Next up we have 3-finger screenshot. So you need to put your 3 fingers to make a screenshot on when our phone is unlocked. It works fine, but let's see how it goes in the lock screen. It doesn't work. And the last option will be fast flashlight. If you enable it and lock your phone, you should be able to enable and disable flashlight by performing chopping motion with your phone like this. It works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.